Hi kids, how are you today? Today we will learn how to do easy maracas at your home. We need the following: sticks or plastic spoons, small colored stickers for decoration, scissors, glue and tape, rice or colored beads, aluminum foil, plastic cover of a chocolate egg, or any other round container. We put the rice or beads inside the egg. We put glue at the edge of the plastic cover. We stick the plastic cover to each other. We rub the egg with the foil. Then we glue the spoons to the egg. Shake and enjoy the nice musical sound. Don't forget to send and share with me your videos of this activity.
We can shake, shake, wait. 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 Here we go. Shake a little louder. We can shake a little. Shake a little. Oh, shake, shake. Shake, shake. Okay, get ready. Here we go. Shake, shake, wait. We can shake, shake, wait. We can shake, shake, wait. We can shake, shake, wait. Shake a little louder now. We can shake a little. Shake a little louder, yeah, yeah. Ooh. Shake, shake. Shake, shake. Okay, here we go. Shake, shake, wait. We can shake, shake, wait. Shake, shake, wait. Shake, shake, wait. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Ooh, na 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 na, na 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 na. can shake, shake, wait. Shake, shake, wait. We can shake, shake, wait. We can shake, shake. We can shake, shake, wait. We can shake, shake, wait. Woo!
Thank you for watching. See you next week. Bye bye. Bye kids.